Good morning everyone, welcome back to Double J Engineering's YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to set the stroke limit on our Fanuc series 180is-WB wire eroding machine. So here we have, obviously, if we go back to the precision page, you've got your stroke limit, so obviously you select that. Obviously if you see here, the stroke limit is already in, so what we need to do first, we need to go here to cancel that, and that will zero it, so then we can reset it. So what we've got to do is we've got to go to the jog command, and then we'll go over to the machine here, and then we'll slowly bring this down. Slowly bring this down on the Z-axis to our workpiece, and then we'll come back to the controls here, and then obviously we'll go to the step command. We'll put it up a notch so it comes down lower. And then what we do is we come down here, we come back to the machine, and then we go jog Z, and then we'll go down here just until it sort of touches this. See, it's tight. So what we do then is we come back to the machine, and then what we'll do, we'll just back it off one. So then, oh no. And then what we'll do, we'll just keep pushing it down. Just keep touching it until it touches. So it's tight like that, and then we'll go back one, just so there's one or two notches will go back, just so it's sort of loose, like that. There's a bit of gap between it. Then we come back to the controls, and then we go here, and we go limit, which will set the limit up here. So then obviously, if we bring the Z back up, so we bring in the Z back up, so then when we go jog and then Z return here, that'll bring our Z all the way back down to the datum point where we had set. So that's everything in that episode. If you do enjoy the content, make sure you follow and subscribe to the page, and until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.